What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. In today's video, we're gonna talk about BNB. But in order for us to talk about BNB, we gotta talk about Bitcoin. Okay, guys. So this is the Bitcoin price chart, and this is the BNB price chart. Okay. So as you can see right here, these two charts, they also look very similar. Okay, because everything Bitcoin does, the altcoins, they will follow along. Okay, like I showed you in my previous chart, previous video, Bitcoin versus Matic, the graphic, they look very similar because everything Bitcoin does, the other altcoins follow along. Okay, so Bitcoin decided to fall. Okay, so from 20K, Bitcoin is trading now at $19.56. Okay, and BNB is trading at $213. So in today's video, let's see what might happen to BNB in the next coming hours or days. Okay, so in order to do that, we gotta check BTC, Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the day chart, right? So I'm going to zoom into before we go into 4-hour chart. So let me show you that Bitcoin broke the 19K, right, support level, and went all the way to 17.7K. Why? Because if you go back in time, we can see that over here Bitcoin touched this 17K area several times. All right, so that's why I decided to make this line right here. And how many times later, nearly two years later, Bitcoin decided to revisit this area right here. Okay, so feels like Bitcoin is gonna touch this area again. Okay, because from what I can see right now, Bitcoin broke this 19K support level, 19K again, and feels like it's gonna dip over here in the 17K before it bounce back up, if that's what's gonna happen. Okay, so let's flick to 4-hour chart and let's have a better picture about what's happening right here. Okay, over here is when Bitcoin decided to touch this orange line right here, and as you can see from that, Bitcoin had a good pump, right? So Bitcoin pumped and all the altcoins pumped as well. Okay, and now Bitcoin is dumping and all the altcoins are dumping too. Okay, and from what I can see right now, feels like Bitcoin is on its way to 17.7K. Okay, so if that's the case, let's see where BNB might end up, because BNB will follow along. Okay, so let's zoom in and let's see. So I decided to make this line right here 142 just in case, because in the past BNB was struggling to surpass this 142. Okay, but hopefully BNB will end up touching either the $204 or further down 183. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. Let's make a quick comparison, and as you can see right here, the charts, they look similar. Okay, they look similar. Even though BNB is pumping a little bit, Bitcoin decided not to pump. But furthermore, let's zoom into 30 minutes. Okay, let's see what's happening in 30 minutes. Okay, because it's good to have a bigger picture, the full-on picture, and then zoom in to actually see and understand what's going on. Okay, so right now Bitcoin is trading just below the support level. Okay, the 19K support level, right? And I know many of the traders, they have a stop loss around here. Okay, so let's see how much is from here to here. So let's say you have a stop loss of 2%. Okay, if Bitcoin decides to go a bit over this stop loss, we might see a big dump, because if Bitcoin reach this point right here, which is the stop loss, automatically the platform will sell off the Bitcoin and we will see the price fall. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so let's flick to BNB and let's see what's happening with BNB, right? So we got the support level right here, and this is an area where BNB struggles to overcome, and this one as well. Okay, but one thing at a time, right? So let's flick to 30 minutes price chart and let's see what's going on. Actually, BNB doesn't look as bad as Bitcoin, okay? But you know, we can see we got the red candle right there. We can see that if Bitcoin decides to come down, so if Bitcoin does this, okay, so Bitcoin might do this and something like that. Okay, BNB might do the same thing. BNB might do this straight down, straight to 204. Okay, and then from here up, down, up, down, up, and down. All will depend on Bitcoin. Okay, because if Bitcoin keeps on going down, because it's actually going down, right? Eventually, if Bitcoin breaks this stop loss, people will sell their Bitcoin and the Bitcoin price will fall to the next support level, which is 17.7K. Okay, and if that's the case, you know, BNB will follow along. As you can see right here, we have another red candle. Feels like BNB is gonna go for its next support level, which is 204 bucks. Okay, so let me just try to figure out how much is this from here to here. Is 6%, 6.6, and from here excuse me, from here to here is 6%. Okay, so we might see BNB ranging between 204 and 198. So if I had to place a long position, I would place my position right here. Okay, just below, I would say 200 bucks. I would place my position right here. Okay, so I would place it over here. Okay, on 217 bucks, so 8% profit, and my stop loss, I would stop. So how much is this? 2%. I would stop over here. 198, 195. I would stop at 198. I would place my order right here. Okay, so it would start at 200 bucks. Okay, as soon as BNB touches the 200 price range, I will place my order, and it falls a bit below that, you know, 197 will stop my order. But if bounces back up, which it is possible, you know, then you will be in profit. You either close your order manually or you just let it fulfill once it hits your target. Okay, but yes, it all depends on how Bitcoin will perform. So let's flick it to 3-minute chart and let's see what's up. Okay, as you can see right here, it doesn't look good, right? So from where I can see, you know, it's gonna keep on going down, right? So if you're gonna keep going down, that means BNB will follow along. You got some big red candles right there. You know, down here we can see like buyers are pushing the price down. And then again, I believe if Bitcoin breaks this price right here, you know, we will be seeing Bitcoin going further down. Actually, it didn't broke over here, so probably over here, right? So if Bitcoin breaks this 18.7, we might see Bitcoin touching the 17.7K. As you can see right here, some big red candles, so highly likely that Bitcoin is going to break the 19K and hit 17.7. In regards to BNB, let's check the 3-minute chart and let's see what's up. So as you can see, BNB is follow along, no difference, right? Some big sales right here, big red candle. So, and you know, the 20 EMA is about to cross the 50 and 100, so that shows us a bearish momentum, right? So BNB soon will be touching this 204 level, right? So the question is BNB going to stop here, or going to continue to go down all the way to 183, you know? And from there to there, it's 12%. So that's a big dump, right? Whereas Bitcoin is only going to have 6%. So I don't believe Bitcoin BNB will fall that much. Okay, so 6% there versus 13.6%. So if it falls 6%, it's going to be up to around here. Come on. God damn it. I want to select this one, but let me make a new one. So if it falls 6%, it's gonna fall right here. So let's say here, 200 bucks. Okay, yeah, 200 bucks. It's about right. That's why I said to you, I would place my stop loss at 198, 197. Okay, and that's it. I would place my long at 200 bucks. Okay, because it might touch the support line and might break a bit below. Okay, so probably I would try to catch it. Yeah, 200 bucks, and then my stop loss at 197, 198, and my profits at 217. Okay, so yes, my price prediction is Bitcoin, if it keeps on dumping, might touch, from what I can see, it might hit the 17.7 price line, and BNB will touch the 200 bucks. Okay, so that's my price prediction for the next few hours. Okay, so yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Have a peaceful day. I'm out.